Welcome to this channel, traders. Enough about scalping strategies. Remember, I promised to share with you on how to find perfect entries for longer term trades. Okay, so I'm going to use this for the example and take you step by step how to find these entries. Okay, we can just use one example for today, and then on the following videos we'll look into the other things. Okay, but remember that I still have the PDF that has the entry rules for the scalping strategies, so you can still get it because this PDF works, these strategies work, you can make a lot of money out of them. And I remember that I said if you open a trading account and fund it right here on FX View, okay, you get all those PDFs for free. Okay, but you have to use the link in the video description when opening the account. For those who are new, this is FX View. It's got really low spreads. It's an ECN broker. Okay, just the best ECN broker, multi-regulated. And here the trading platforms, you have MT4, 5 and Act Trader with these deposit methods, including Perfect Money. Okay, so you can just come here, register with the link in the video description and claim your PDF. For those who have already funded but have not yet received the PDFs, I am going to be going through my WhatsApp even today, this evening, and sending the PDFs to those who have already funded. So the first thing that I can say that you need to do in order to find good entries is to go to a time frame or find a time frame that is going to give you a clear picture of the market. If we can look at this, okay, this is the 15-minute time frame, and really there's nothing much that you can see, okay, from this. There's nothing much that you can use to draw conclusions to whether buy or sell. So what you need to do, traders, is to find a time frame that is going to give you something like this. Okay, a clear move of the market. Okay, this is what I mean, because right here you know that this was an uptrend, and then there was a breakout somewhere there, and then it was a downtrend, and then there was a breakout somewhere there, and then it was an uptrend. Okay, so that's the first and most important thing that you need to do. Okay, and another thing that I can say, you should be able to see something like a zigzag within the trend, because it's easier to analyze when it is like this. It's easy to understand it. So find a time frame that's going to give you something like this. That's the first and most important step. Okay, so right here, okay, let me just do this. I'll just do that together with you. Remember, when I took this trade, price was there. Okay, so just tell yourself that you don't know what is this side. Okay, so let us take it from there. And what I usually do is start from the higher time frames. So I start on the daily. Okay, this is the daily time frame. You can almost see that this is an uptrend and then we're on a downtrend. Okay, but it doesn't help that much because we're only looking at the bigger picture. What I would say is important is what is happening right here. Okay, yes, you can use these key levels. You can use these key levels to help you with your targets. Okay, these key levels to help you with your targets. And what I consider a key level is where price made a turning point. Okay, if price is moving like this and then it pulls back, this is a key level, and then it pulls up again, this is a key level. Okay, so that's where, or that's how you mark key levels. If price is to drop and then you see it reversing here, you know that this is sort of a key level. So right here on the daily time frame, this is maybe the only thing that we can do, so that we know that if price continues dropping, it is going to maybe bounce right there because you have a key level there. So what we will do is go to the smaller time frames. The 4-hour time frame, really there's nothing much here. Okay, let's take it to the hourly. So now on the hourly time frame, you have something that you can work with. Okay, notice that you had an uptrend and then you had a breakout which gave you a downtrend. Okay, and then on that breakout you would mark maybe that trend line. Price broke out there. So on that breakout, you could take a buy trade knowing that price is coming to this key level. Okay, I hope that's easy. And of course, to take the buy trade, you take it even further to the smaller time frames. So this is the 15-minute time frame and it is used for the entries. So I hope you can see how I took this trade. It wasn't difficult, okay? And what makes me confirm that this is a breakout, you see that you have this candle which broke out and another candle that is longer than this one, the previous one. Okay, so maybe one thing that could happen there, you would maybe have a pullback. Okay, something like this. But what sped up this process is because it was during the session in which this currency pair moves. So price didn't make these pullbacks much. Instead, it went straight into profit. I'm going to explain more on the upcoming videos, but what I've shared is the basic of how to find good entries when you are not using indicators, just using pure price action. You just have to find the right time frame where you're going to see a clear picture starting from the higher time frames, so that you mark the important key levels, and then you switch to the smaller time frames where you are going to see a clean pattern of the market, and then you go to the smaller ones for entries. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on the next video.